How are we doing, guys? Nick here from Tubers, and really happy to be back here on camera with some amazing news. The news that you have been waiting for. When are we opening Tubers Academy back up? Well, I've got that information for you coming right up now. So during lockdown, we have been doing all sorts of amazing things to make sure that Tubers is even more awesome when you return. We have been refitting the big room in Exeter, over here doing that now. We've got a new station there, new VR. We've got 8 gaming PCs here. We've got more Macs for editing. We've created a drawing and animation studio as well. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with using that. Obviously in Torquay, we launched Tubers Treats and Tubers Play. We've got Tubers Online officially launching, and we have a brand new Tubers app too. So you'll be able to keep in touch with all the latest updates, blog posts and videos right from your phone at home. So back to the important news that you're waiting to hear. We are definitely reopening Tubers Academy, both in Torquay and Exeter, and I have a date for you, and then I'm going to tell you how you're going to be able to sign back up again. So the very first day you can return to Tubers Academy in both Torquay and Exeter is Monday, September the 14th. That will be our very first session. So how do you go about signing back up? Well, first things first, everybody who holds a membership currently and has supported Tubers Academy all the way through lockdown, we thank you so much, so much. You guys, we're going to come back to first to get you signed back up and move you over to our brand new membership management software. So what we're going to do is cancel your existing subscription to Tubers in the first week of September and then send you an email to sign back up. What you'll be able to do is just sign up to 1 session per week. So that doesn't matter if you're an Academy member or a mini tuber, but in order to manage our numbers on return, because we have a limit on our sessions now of only 15 and not 20, we're only allowing people to sign up to a single session. However, if you've been supporting the Academy, you have credits and you'll be able to do double sessions with those credits. We'll make a separate video to explain how the credits are going to work. So yes, you guys who have supported the Academy all the way through, you get first dibs at sessions. Next of all, we'll be going back to everybody via email that had a membership at the end of lockdown or has cancelled between then and now. You are next up. You'll get second dibs. You'll also have some credits as well, which we'll talk about in the other video. And then we'll be sending it public. So, of course, all our existing members and previous members will get first chance to get the places at Tubers Academy before it goes public. So keep an eye out for an email from us, guys. We will be in touch with more information and we'll explain more about how we'll be managing our sessions moving forward. So that's all for this video, guys. Just wanted to announce exactly when we're going to be reopening and how that's going to work. But there is loads more updates to tell you about, just too much for this one video. So please keep an eye on your email, keep an eye on social media. There's all sorts of information coming your way, and we look forward to seeing you all again back at Tubers Academy. For now, take care. We'll see you soon.